Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is 100% Elena Dhiambo. Today I'm going to show you how to do gel polish at home. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, welcome back. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, you're going to start on freshly prepped nails. Make sure your cuticles have been removed. Here I'm going to use my mini UV lamp, and then I'm going to use my base coat, and then my gelish top coat, and then this is brown in color gel polish, and then this is white polish. And then you're also going to need the surgical spirit to remove the sticky layer, and then swabs to remove excess polish on your skin, and a stripe brush. First, I'm going to dehydrate my nails using the surgical spirit to make sure we don't have any oils on the skin, because we don't want the gel polish to start lifting or anything. And then I'm going to clean that up using my paper towel or serviette in order to remove flyaways. Then I'm going in with the base coat first, very lightly. I'm doing this to all my nails, and then I'm going to dry this in the UV lamp. Here I'm still drying my nails in the UV lamp. This lamp goes off after every minute, so you want to press the start button again every 1 minute. I'm going to dry it for around 2 to 3 minutes. And what I noticed with this base coat, it gives me a sticky layer, so I have to go in with a surgical spirit to wipe off the sticky layer first before I apply anything else on top. By the way, if you decide to get this mini lamp, you can get it on Jumia, and you have to be very patient with it because it's a small lamp and it's only 6 watts, so don't expect it to dry your gel polish like very fast. It will take around 3 or 2 to 4 minutes depending on the gel polish you're going to use. So I'm going in with the second layer of the base coat. I also got this base coat on Jumia. It's not bad, it's only that it gives me the sticky layer, so I have to wipe it off. At first I didn't know, so hey, I dried my nails for so long and it didn't dry, not noticing that it was the sticky layer that I was supposed to wipe off. So now you know, guys. And then I'm going to dry the second layer of the base coat in the UV lamp. Then I'm going to do my thumb. Also, another thing with this lamp, you can't do the whole hand. You have to do your 4 nails first and then you do your thumb later. And then I'm going to remove the sticky layer. As you can see, now the nails are completely covered with the base coat. They are covered evenly. And then now I'm going to go in with the gel polish. Remember to apply a very thin layer of the gel polish to your nails to avoid lifting of any kind. As you can see, it is completely covered. I'm going to dry it in the lamp. Guys, I also noticed even this brown color has a sticky layer, so I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer before going in with the second coat. So I'm going to do my thumb, and then dry it. Then I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer, and then I'm going to do the second coat of the brown polish. Then I'm going to wipe off the excess that went on my skin. Then I'm going in with a second coat on my thumb. So I put the clear, the brown, and the white gel polish on a palette, and then I'm going to need my stripe brush. I wanted to create a marble effect on my thumb. So before you dry the thumb, you're going to go in with the white first, and then try and create a marble effect. I don't know if I am explaining this properly, but please bear with me. So I'm going to make a stripe in the nail, just going to play around with it. And then I'm going to wipe off the brush. And then I'm going to go in with the clear gel polish, or that is the top coat, just a little bit to dilute the white. Yeah, you can see how it looks. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the brown. Or is this a nude color? I don't know. Is it brown or is it a nude color? Comment down below. Yeah, so I'm just going to play around with it and not overdo it. But if you feel like you overdid it, you can wipe it off and start again. So I'm going to dry my thumb and wipe off the sticky layer again on the second coat of the nude color. And then I'm going to go in with the top coat. I am going to apply 2 layers of the top coat. And surprisingly, this gelish polish dries off pretty fast and it doesn't have a sticky layer. So if you're going to get this lamp, I'd also recommend you buy the gelish gel polish because they dry pretty fast. You're not going to take so much time when you're drying your nails. So guys, this is the final look. I started with my right hand first. So I used my left hand to do my right hand. You know how hard that can be. And I can say I tried. This is how the thumb looks like. For my left hand, after applying the second layer of gel polish while it is still wet, I am going in with a stripe brush and trying to create a marble effect on the nails. So guys, I know this is not, I'm sorry, this is not visible, and comment down below and let me know if you'd like me to do a video of creating a marble effect on the nails so that I can do a better video, a better close-up video while I'm creating the marble effect. So this is how it turned out. Yeah. And then here I'm wiping off the excess gel polish on my fingers, and then I went on to dry them. I went ahead off the camera and did the top coat. I did 2 layers of the top coat also on this hand, and this is the final result. The middle finger does not look that neat, but I'm going to redo it much later. But meanwhile, I am so in love with the middle finger. Yeah, it looks so nice. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.